Just like how you have the snipping tool feature on Windows, you've been wondering if you can do the same on your Mac OS. Well, fortunately, it is very simple for us to do so. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to learn on how we can use the snipping tool, which is a screenshot shortcut on our Mac OS. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to use snipping tool on your Mac OS, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What you have to do is it was possible to use a snipping tool on Windows. That is that if you want to take a screenshot, you only would like to do so for a certain portion and not the whole screen, so that you don't have to crop out manually. Now to replicate this on Mac is also fairly simple. You can simply use a keyboard shortcut of 3 keys. The keys includes Command, Shift and 4. I repeat, Command, Shift and 4. And as and when you do that, you will see a mouse cursor switch over to the plus icon. Now you can go ahead and simply drag it to a certain portion. And just like that, you can see it has successfully taken a screenshot right there. So right like that, you can see it's taken a screenshot. It will save the screenshot on the desktop automatically. And you can go ahead and open it up if you prefer. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.